Here's a quick tip on how you can select and unselect records when downloading more than 1,000 records in Reference USA. In this case, we have 1,803 records. Now, our limit with Reference USA is 1,000 records at a time. What that means is that we're going to have to download this entire list in 2 batches. And in order to download the list, we need to select each individual record up to 1,000. Let's take a look by clicking on the View Results button. In this case, there are 73 pages of this list of 1,803 records. Now, every single page in Reference USA has 25 records per page, which means in order to go up to 1,000, we need to select every single page up to page 40, download that list, and then come back, unselect the things that we've selected, and then start over to download the second half. Now, in this case, in order to select every single record on the page, rather than check all these check boxes individually, we have this great feature, this blue box. Put a check mark there, and the entire page of 25 is selected. Click here to move to page 2 and do the same thing. And then we can do this up to 1,000 records. So we've selected our first 40 pages, which is 1,000 records. And now what we're going to do is we're going to download this half of our list by clicking the download button, selecting detailed, and then download records or email records. Now at this point, after we've downloaded or emailed the records to ourselves, if we clicked on the back button here in the screen, you'll notice we have 40 pages of records that are still selected. Now we can take the long route back by clicking that box again and unselecting the records. That would take us a long time to do, or we can use this quick tip on how to unselect all those pages and then come back and continue our download. Do not click on the back button on your browser. Simply click on Revise Search. By clicking on Revise Search, you'll be brought back to your starting page where you entered your criteria. Then click on View Results one more time, and you'll notice when you come back to your results page, all the boxes that you've checked have been unchecked. And now you can jump ahead to your second batch, in this case, the 803 records that you still have to download. Come to the page box here, type in 41, which is where record 1001 is located, and then start clicking again up until you have selected the rest of your file. Again, remember, always click on Revise Search to unselect the files and the records that you've selected. This way, you will not have to go back through each individual page and unselect those records. Just a quick tip on making downloading lists over 1,000 much quicker.